Genetics is the study of genes, the heredity units that are passed from parents to offspring and contain the instructions for building and maintaining an organism. Genes are made up of DNA, which is a long molecule that carries genetic information. Genetics explores how traits, such as eye color, height, and susceptibility to diseases, are inherited from one generation to the next. These traits are determined by variations in genes called alleles. The field of genetics encompasses a wide range of topics, including classical genetics, which focuses on the patterns of inheritance, molecular genetics, which studies the structure and function of genes at the molecular level, and population genetics, which examines how genes are distributed within populations and how they change over time. Advancements in genetics have led to breakthroughs in understanding and treating genetic disorders, predicting disease risk, and developing genetically modified organisms for various purposes, such as agriculture and medicine. In summary, genetics is the branch of biology that deals with the study of genes, their variations, and their inheritance, providing insights into the diversity of life and the mechanisms underlying heredity.